And in that case, what's coming? I told you this is coming. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So in this type of situation, how many solution exists? You know, infinite many solution exists. Understood? Why? Because equation is this 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, 4x plus 6y is equal to 18, where x is what? Price of the pencil. Y, what's the price of eraser? Yesterday told you. So in this type of question, we can say infinite many solution exist. So not a particular value of x and y. If x and y is not a particular value, it's meaning not a particular value of pen and pencil. So many values which satisfying these two linear equation in two variable. So I think you are able to solve next question coming. The next and last question of this example, last example, sorry. Two rails are represented by the equation. Which equation this? One equation is this x plus 2y is equal to 4 or minus 4. What's minus 4 is equal to what? 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This each other. So what's your A1? A1 equal to 1, B1 equal to 2, C1 equal to minus 4, A2 equal to 2, B2 equal to 4, and C2 equal to minus 12. What's minus 12? So what's A1 by A2? A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is what? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. And what's your C1 by C2? What's minus 4 by minus 12? Minus 12. So what's its meaning? If you can cancel it, what's coming? 1 by 2 coming. What's coming? 1 by 2. What's its meaning? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. If you can compare this minus, cancel this minus, this 1 by 3. So what's its meaning? How many solution? So in this type of situation, no solution. How many solution? No solution. So you have to tell, will the rail cross each other? So we can say no. Rail will not cross each other. Why? Solution not exist. What's not exist? Solution not exist. Three type of condition. What's condition? What's condition is this? Another condition is this. Third one condition is what? This condition. Should not cross each other. So got it. Now exercise. Now what? Exercise. Exercise 3.2. So you have solved the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. Particular method given to you. You have to use which method? Substitution method you have to use. So how can you solve it? So first, this is given x plus y. X plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. First part of it, this given. Yes or no? So how can you solve it? You have to use by substitution method. So this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. So what you can say? From equation 2, it's not compulsory you have to take equation 2, it's depend on you. X minus y is equal to 4. This implies x is equal to y plus 4. Y going in the right hand side from the left hand side, so its sign changed. So now putting the value, whose value? X, in the form of y. In first we get, first one mean this, first one mean this. So write x, y plus 4 plus y is equal to 14. 2y plus 4 equal to 14. 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. Now putting the value of y here in anyone. Now putting the value of y equal to 5 in first or second. So x plus 5 equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 minus 5, 9. So what's the value of x? X equal to 9, y equal to 5. We can solve this by elimination method also. Eliminate one value. But here given which method you have to apply? Substitution method you have to apply. Next question. What's the next part? Second part. What's second part? What second part? This. This is the second part. S minus t equal to 3. S minus second part of question number 1. Exercise 3.2. Understood? S minus t equal to 3. S minus t equal to 3. Then s by 3 plus t by 3, t by 2. S by 3 plus t. This also we can write in this form. T by 2 equal to 6. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Yes or no? So what we can do? We can take first equation number 2, LCM 6 taken. 2s plus 3t is equal to 6. Or this we can write 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This is, you can say, third. S minus t is equal to what? 6. This is, we can say, fourth. So by equation fourth, we get s equal to 6 plus t. 6 plus t. T transfer from left hand side to right hand side. Now putting the value of s equal to 6 plus t, 6 plus t in what? Third, we get. In second also you can put. So what's s equal to 2 into 6 plus t plus 3t is equal to 6. 36, sorry. What? 36. What? 12 plus 2t plus 3t equal to 36. Yes or no? So how much? 5t, sum of these two is equal to 36 minus 12. 5t equal to 24. So what's the value of t? 24 by 5. Understood? Now what we can do? Putting the value of t, where? In first, putting putting the value of t equal to 24 by 5 in first, we get. So s minus 24 by 5 is equal to 3 by 1. We can say 5 is your LCM. 5s minus 24 is equal to 3. This implies 5s minus 24 equal to 15. 5s equal to 15 plus 24. How much? 39. So s equal to 39 by 5. So what's the value of t here? T value 24 by 5. What's the value of s? 39 by 5. By which method? Substitution method. By which method? Substitution method. Next is what? Next part of it mean third part. Third part mean this part. Which part? This part. So what's one time check? So what's it's become? 3x minus y. What's it? 3x minus y. 3x minus y equal to 3. Equal to minus 3 we can write is equal to 0. What's that? 9x minus 3y. 9x minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. One time again we can check. 3x minus y 3, this is equal to this. Next. So what you can do? You have to find out what you have to find out. So what's your a1 by a2? 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. c1 by c2, what? Minus 3 by minus 9, cancel 1 by 3. So what condition here? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this case, how many solution? Infinite many solution exist, not a particular solution. Not a particular solution. So many values of x and y possible here. So you can solve till here, it's sufficient for this. Next, fourth part. Fourth, x plus 0.55, y equal to 2.3. So problem coming in this type of question, students. Having base is weak. These are also simple. First convert them in the simplest form. Convert them in the simplest form, so I can write 2 by 10. 10 where? Decimal mean 1 after decimal. How many digits? 1 digit. So 1 0. X. So 3 by 10. Same process is equal to 13 by 10. 10 is your LCM. So how can I write? This I can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is your equation number 1. Then what's coming? Similarly, this I can write 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This is your equation number 2. Equation number 2. You have to apply what? Substitution method. So 2x from equation number 1. 3y equal to 13. This implies 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. And what this implies? This implies x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. 3y by 2. So what we can say? We can say putting the value of x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in equation 2. In equation 2. So put here which is equation 2. This 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2. This one plus 5y equal to 23. So this cancel this. So what's coming to its multiplication 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. If you can operate this, minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. So minus y is equal to minus 3. You operate these. You know how can operate. Understood? So this cancel this. So y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Now what you can do? Now putting the value of y equal to 3 in equation which first? Which is equation first? This 2x plus 3. Y value what? 3 is equal to 13. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 9. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2, 2. So what's the value of x? X equal to 2, y equal to 3. So in this way, so much easy methods. So much easy method. In this way, able to solve. So next part of it. Next part of it. Who's next part of this? This we have done. Now this fifth part of it. Fifth part of this. So what's written? Fifth part. Tomorrow I will tell. According to me, its statement is not complete. So sixth part also statement not complete. So equal to 0 we can take. Understood? So this is given part fifth. What's given? Under root 2 plus under root 3. Under root 2 plus under root 3 y. So these are incomplete. So we can solve this fifth and sixth part in the second time. So you can solve till here. Tomorrow I will tell. One time I want to confirm these statements are right or wrong. So tomorrow I can tell. Thank you all of you.